It was quick walking. Oh my god, so tiny. It was a smoking room.
Yeah, it's a bit small. Let me continue. I already don't have space to put my bag.
Space to open the luggage, how about that?